What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on your riding lawnmower. The only thing you're going to need for this job is a pair of pliers, a pair of vice grips, some tape to put around the jaws of the vice grips, and the fuel filter itself. I'll leave a link in the description below for the fuel filter. You also want to put down a rag or some paper towels to catch some of the excess fuel that leaks out. The fuel is flowing from the back of the lawnmower to the front of the lawnmower, so you just want to keep this in mind when you're clamping off the fuel line and when you're installing the new fuel filter. First, you're going to want to remove the fuel line from the clips that hold it into place. It's recommended that the fuel filter is replaced annually or when the fuel flow is restricted. You'll then want to clamp off the fuel line coming from the gas tank. Use the vice grips and wrap the jaws in tape. The tape helps prevent the fuel line from getting damaged. The fuel filter itself extends about 3/4 of an inch into the fuel line, so you'll just want to make sure to move the clamps at least an inch away. Then you can remove the hoses. It works best if you twist and then pull. And in my case, they were a little stubborn, so I had to use the pliers, but just be very careful with the fuel line when you do this. And when you remove the lines, there's going to be some residual fuel that drains out. And when reinstalling the new fuel filter, they have a direction of flow. And you just want to make sure, it's hard to see on this, but you just want to make sure it's flowing from the back to the front. When reinstalling the filter, you're going to slide it into the hose and reinstall the hose clamp. And you want the hose clamp to be no more than 1/4 of an inch away from the filter housing. You can then reinstall the hose back into the positioning clips. Then take the vice grips off the hose and you're all done. Then just double check that nothing's leaking and you're good to go to start the tractor up. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also check out my other DIY and maintenance videos. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. And just a reminder, I have a link for this fuel filter in the description below.